Hey everybody, Jim King, King Pierce, back out here in Centerview. Got our half of our A-team out here building these walls, and we'll have them done in about 3-4 more days. Concrete filled, 3 foot by 1 foot thick concrete footings. We'll have the walls done. Once the walls are done, this house will set right on top. Actually, we've got quite a bit more. However the distance is from that bottom plate to there. It'll be 9 feet tall by the time we're done pouring the floor up to the bottom of the joist. So, yeah, I'd say probably more like another week out here, but they're just rolling right along. Very happy. House is stable. Nothing's moved at all. So, very pleased. King Piers out here in Centerview. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. And you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, guys, and share our videos to as many people that might be interested in seeing engineering, sound, foundation repair done every day. We get paid to make houses better. Engineering, sound, foundation repair. We don't get paid to tear them up. So, call us. Thank you.